Aloha, this is Jeff, Yogi Tom on the forums. As I mentioned recently, I've not been able to get this little Moon Bird out of my head recently. Pulling it back out of its case to play, it's really something special, so I thought I'd do another little sound sample to share with you all. This is just a little Beatles number. I'll try to do some whistling. My voice isn't quite up to singing, but you should recognize it with the whistling. Sorry, that last little bit was, that's what I was looking for. Awesome. Well, thanks for listening, and rock on, little Moon Bird. I think this is going to be in my life for quite some time.